Let's examine a range of ambitious megaprojects, including the world's longest and most peculiar smart city, Dubai's towering Creek Tower standing at 1,400 meters, Turkey's proposed colossal canal project, and Dubai's unsuccessful island ventures. These endeavors are considered seemingly impossible due to their sheer magnitude and may prove too impractical to accomplish. Number 4. The line cities worldwide are envisioning new urban development projects with a common objective: constructing intelligent and environmentally friendly urban areas. Examples include the Songdo International Business District in South Korea, Forest City in Malaysia, and the new administrative capital in Egypt. While a few of these smart cities have been successfully implemented, many have encountered failures due to their ambitious nature. Recently, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia unveiled an unprecedented smart city called The Line. Unlike conventional cities, this unique project extends 170 kilometers inland from the coast in a single linear formation. The futuristic city aims to operate without cars and relies entirely on renewable energy. The concept involves 3 layers: a surface level for living and pedestrian activities, along with 2 underground levels for goods transportation, and a passenger train system. The plan includes a high-speed train that would traverse the 170-kilometer city in less than 20 minutes. However, this ambitious transportation scheme poses numerous doubts regarding its feasibility. Achieving travel from any point to another within 20 minutes seems nearly impossible, necessitating an average train speed of 510 kilometers per hour. By comparison, China's high-speed bullet train from Beijing to Shanghai, among the world's fastest, reaches speeds of only 380 kilometers per h. Additionally, the proposed project site currently accommodates thousands of residents, many of whom are protesting against their forced displacement. Such controversial relocation could have severe negative repercussions for the line's reputation, especially if it aims to attract international investors. Finally, the most crucial aspect is the funding required for the project. Securing finances for such a massive endeavor appears highly unrealistic, particularly given the current economic climate. The Saudi Arabian government would need to raise a staggering $500 billion, exceeding the combined GDP of Greece, Croatia, and New Zealand. Even for a wealthy country like Saudi Arabia, $500 billion presents an exorbitant price tag, considering their GDP stands at $800 billion. Consequently, this enormous cost is likely far beyond reach, even for a prosperous nation such as Saudi Arabia. Number 3. Dubai Creek Tower. The United Arab Emirates. Dubai Creek Tower was initially intended to claim the title of the world's tallest man-made structure. It was likely conceived in response to the construction of the Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia, which aimed to surpass Dubai's Burj Khalifa as the tallest building, reaching a height of at least 1,000 meters if completed. To defend their title, developers in Dubai planned an even taller tower, potentially reaching 1,400 meters. The actual height was never disclosed, presumably to avoid providing hints to their competitors in Jeddah. Boasting a 360-degree city view and 10 viewing platforms, the Dubai Creek Tower aimed to become the tallest supported building globally. However, construction on the megaproject came to a halt shortly after the foundation was completed in 2016. Interestingly, this pause coincided with the suspension of construction on the Jeddah Tower. It appeared that once the Dubai Creek Tower developers no longer had to worry about their competition, they decided to take a break. Emaar Properties, the project's owner, attributed the pause to the COVID-19 pandemic rather than the Jeddah Tower's stoppage, but they claimed the tower would still be completed by 2022. Nevertheless, no visible progress has been made since 2018. However, the potential failure of the Dubai Creek Tower may not solely be attributed to the setbacks of the Jeddah Tower. The construction of a structure of this unprecedented height has never been attempted before. The steel cables extending to the tower's pinnacle would need to exceed 1 kilometer in length, presenting significant technical challenges in terms of their length and weight. The materials and technologies currently available may be insufficient to build a tower of such extreme height. Furthermore, aside from the engineering obstacles, it remains uncertain whether the Dubai Creek Tower could even compete with the Jeddah Tower for the title of the world's tallest skyscraper. According to the Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat, at least 50% of a structure must be habitable to qualify as a skyscraper. However, the Dubai Creek Tower falls short of this requirement by 20%. Number 2. Istanbul Canal. Istanbul, Turkey, is undertaking the ambitious Istanbul Canal megaproject, aiming to build a 50-kilometer-long water canal connecting the Black Sea and the Marmara Sea. While shorter than the Panama Canal, the Istanbul Canal lacks the same strategic advantages. President Erdogan supports the canal to enhance shipping capacity and reduce wait times, projecting increased ship numbers in the coming decades. However, opposition arises due to suspicions of ulterior motives. The existing Bosphorus Canal, adjacent to the planned canal, currently allows free passage for non-military ships, causing revenue loss for Turkey. The Istanbul Canal could generate significant income, create jobs, and reshape shipping routes, but concerns remain about the potential contamination of Istanbul's water supply, displacement of residents, and environmental impact. Additionally, President Erdogan intends to incorporate a high-speed railway into the project, with estimated costs between $50 billion and $65 billion. The project faces challenges, including environmental damage, financial implications, and global protests, raising doubts about its completion. Number 1. Dubai Islands. For our final megaproject, let's return to Dubai, home to one of the world's largest artificial island clusters. Like the Creek Tower, these islands were intended to be a major tourist attraction. Dubai initially planned an incredibly ambitious number of islands to completely transform its coastline. Construction began in 2001 with the first island collection, Palm Jumeirah. The rapid progress fueled even more ambitious plans, leading to the start of Palm Jebel Ali and the World Projects. However, nearly 20 years later, these islands remain unfinished and largely vacant. Dubai had even grander aspirations with Palm Dera, an artificial island 10 times the size of Palm Jumeirah. Yet, as anticipated, this project also faced failure and underwent significant downsizing. Financing these ambitious projects became a monumental challenge, especially after 2008. While funding was the primary cause of failure for many of Dubai's island ventures, even the fully completed Palm Jumeirah could encounter significant issues in the future. Several sources claim that the Palm Jumeirah is sinking at a rate of 0.5 centimeters per year. Although developers denied these allegations, an independent company, Penguin Marine, provided evidence of erosion on the islands 2 years later. Regardless of the sinking claims, the island's biggest challenge will be the rising sea levels. According to the IPCC, sea levels are projected to rise between 25 and 200 centimeters by the end of the century, depending on climate scenarios. Even if the islands are not completely submerged in the foreseeable future, it is reasonable to expect increasing costs and efforts to maintain the projects and combat the encroaching water. Considering the number of failed island projects in Dubai and the significant challenges that Palm Jumeirah will face in the coming years, it is evident that these projects cannot be deemed successful. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this in the future. We'll see you in the next video.